Hello there, my name is Taylor Julius and this is my class, Card Counting 101. Now if you're unaware, card counting is a method of playing blackjack, which is a casino game. It allows you to tell when the odds are in your favor. Now if you have heard of card counting, you may have heard that it's illegal. That's completely false. Nowhere on the planet is counting cards illegal. It's just frowned upon. You may be asked to leave. So, first step, you gotta assign values to the cards. You have your lower cards. 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and 6s have a value of positive 1. Whereas 7, 8, and 9 are neutral. They don't hurt you, they don't help you. 10s, jacks, queens, kings, and aces have a value of negative 1, and you'll understand why later while I explain the running count. So come over here with me to the table with my deck of cards. Now we're going to use these values that we talked about over here. It's a 4 plus 1. It's a lower card. 5 plus 2. There's a jack minus 1. So our count was 2. Got a jack minus 1. Goes back down to 1. 10, same thing. Goes down to 0. Back up to 1. And so on and so forth. You have to keep track of the running count throughout the entire shoe, which is the cards that the dealer plays during the blackjack. So the running count is important, and you have to stay on top of it, keep track of it throughout the entire hand, and actually the entire game of blackjack. It restarts with every shoe. What's really important is the true count, which is the running count divided by the number of decks left to play. So we're going to pretend we're playing single deck blackjack, and we've been playing a few hands. So we have half a deck left, and the count is 6. And my running count is 6. So 6 divided by 0.5 is 12. And that's a really good true count. Which brings me to betting strategy. Based on the true count is based on where it's at and how high it is, that's when you want to start increasing your bet. I had a minimum bet of $2. I don't have very deep pockets. I would play at the minimum, $2 table. And I would wait until the true count got to 5, and then I'd increase my bet to 4. If it got to 6, I'd increase it to 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth, all the way up until I think I had a max bet of $16. And I would always try to take 30, 40 times, 10 times, 10 to 20 times my max bet, because even though the true count is good, it lets you know that you have a good chance of getting cards. The dealer has a good chance of getting cards as well. So it's really important to count with a team, because you and the dealer have the same chance of getting the card, but if there are 3 or 4 of you, you have 4 times the opportunity to get those cards, those good cards that the dealer has a chance of getting too, which puts the odds in your favor. So really the only way to win money while playing blackjack is to play with a team, and then you put all the money together at the end of the night and divvy it up equally, because almost all nights someone is going to lose, but there's almost no nights where everyone loses. This does work. This is how I paid my bills and everything my first semester of college. Me and some high school friends got together. We practiced counting cards 2-3 times a week, and then we count cards twice a week down in Oklahoma rather. But I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and have a good evening.